Quentin Matsys' Allegory of Folly is a masterful painting that invites us to explore the multifaceted nature of foolishness. The artwork portrays a gathering of individuals around a central figure representing folly. As we delve into the painting's symbolism and meaning, we can discern valuable insights on how one might embrace folly. Cautionary Tale versus Celebration. The painting can be interpreted in two contrasting ways. On one hand, it serves as a cautionary tale, warning us about the perils of thoughtless indulgence. Folly, depicted as a seductive woman, leads her followers astray with promises of fleeting pleasure, ultimately resulting in their downfall. On the other hand, it celebrates foolishness as a source of creativity, spontaneity, and joy. Folly reminds us of the importance of letting go and having fun, even if it means appearing foolish in the eyes of others. To embrace folly, drawing inspiration from Matsys' painting, consider these lessons. Be open to new experiences. Fools exhibit curiosity and fearlessness when encountering the unfamiliar. They eagerly explore the world around them, embracing novel and unconventional experiences. Don't take yourself too seriously. Fools possess the ability to laugh at themselves and their blunders. They recognize that mistakes are a part of life and don't allow them to define their self-worth. Be playful and spontaneous. Fools find joy in spontaneity and playfulness. They relish life's simple pleasures and don't require extravagant circumstances to be happy. Be creative and imaginative. Fools perceive the world through a different lens, often thinking outside the box and generating fresh ideas. While these qualities are valuable in embracing folly, it's essential to balance them with wisdom. Being a fool doesn't equate to recklessness or irresponsibility. Knowing when to be serious and when to let go is part of the art of being a fool. In Matsys' painting, folly is portrayed with bells on her cap, a traditional symbol of foolishness. She also wields a marat, a fool's scepter, further emphasizing her role. Surrounding her are individuals engaged in various activities, including dancing, singing, playing games, and drinking, reflecting the joyous aspects of embracing folly. However, lurking in the background are darker elements, a group involved in gambling and prostitution, and the ominous figure of death. These elements remind us that embracing folly without discretion can lead to peril. Quentin Matsys' Allegory of Folly is a powerful exploration of the concept of folly, offering both cautionary and celebratory lessons. To be a fool, as suggested by the painting, involves being open to new experiences, cultivating a sense of humor, embracing spontaneity, and nurturing creativity. However, one must also exercise discernment to avoid the potential dangers that come with unchecked foolishness. In doing so, you can find a balanced and fulfilling way to be a fool in the beautiful tapestry of life. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Good to Know.